Hi guys, most of the people get answer 1 for this problem in wrong way. Here 60 divided by 5 times this is 4 times this 3. Here 60 divided by this is 20 times 3. Here 60 divided by this is 60. Now we'll get here 1. This is wrong. As per the order of operations, pandas, here multiplication, division, addition, subtractions. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority, addition subtractions are equal priority. We have to follow this here left to right rule in the problem. This is bracket which is higher priority than all others. Now we are going to do this problem in correct way by using this order of operations pandas. As per this pandas, we have to do this bracket first. So 60 divided by 5 times 4 times 3. Now this is division, multiplication. All are equal priority. We have to follow this left to right rule. So left to right here is this 60 divided by 5. This is 12 times 4 times 3. Now we have to do this left to right. So this is 48 times 3. Now 48 times 3 is 144. This is the correct answer. The correct answer is 144.